Horses out, we have Maze Elliott. Pass to begin, moving up party out. So now My Hope. Usteria in the middle. Then comes Yoterigo, Trinity Munda. Alongside Queen Star and Prapu Bell. Maze Elliott by about 2.5 lengths. And in second is Usteria. My Hope is racing alongside third. Then followed by Yoterigo alongside Queen Star. Trinity Moon and Prapu Bell. They swing into the back. Maze Elliott by about 2.5 lengths. Usteria still in second. And here comes My Hope. Now trying to get closer in third. Racing in fourth comes Yoterigo, Queen Star, Trinity Moon, and Prapu Bell. Maze Elliott still in front by about 3 lengths. Then here comes My Hope. Now trying to get closer in second. Usteria in third. Running by the left for Yoterigo. Then comes Trinity Moon. Maze Elliott still in front by about 2 lengths. My Hope now trying to get closer on the outside second. Yoterigo into last. They come down to the last 150. Maze Elliott moving up on the outside. Now is My Hope. This to now collided in front. My Hope moving up on the outside. Now strides away by about 2 lengths. Maze Elliott dressed back in second. Last 50 meters we have My Hope by about 2 lengths. And finally My Hope, Maze Elliott, Trinity Moon, Prapu Bell, Yoterigo.